Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of class 10th NCERT, chapter 5 Arithmetic Progression. In the previous lecture, I have told you many examples which is given in NCERT. Now we'll see the exercise 5.2. 5.2 is given, fill in the blanks in the following table. Given as A is the first term, D is the common difference, An is the nth term, and N is number of term. So like this, there are 5 parts. First part is given. It is given first part. What is the first part given? First part is given A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8, An you want to find out. An means A8. This is given in the table form. So it is not given. What is given in the table, that means a separate question. There are 5 separate questions. First you find out An. Formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Put the value. An you want to find out means A8 you want to find out. Underscore you write 8. 7 plus 8 minus 1 into 3. What will you get? 7 plus 7 into 3, 21. 7 plus 21, 7 plus 1, 8, 28. Second part. Second part is given. A, 1 is missing. A is equal to minus 18. D is not given. You want to find out. N is equal to 10. Like this you write in your copy also. An is equal to 0 given. An is equal to 0 given. What is missing a term? Out of the formula 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 out of 4, 1 is missing. So formula you write An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the An? A10 you want. A10 means A10. A10 is given. What is An given? Direct you write the value 0. A is equal to minus 18 plus N is 10 minus 1 into D. So minus 18 will come here, then plus 18 is equal to 9D. Then 18 by 2 is equal to 18 by 9 is equal to D, then 2 is equal to D. You are getting this. Third part is given. Third part is given here. A is equal to not given. Here A is not given. D is equal to minus 3. T is given minus 3. N is given 18. N is given 18 means An is given minus 5. An means A18. An means A18 is given. Again you apply the formula An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the An? An means minus 5. A is not given plus 18 minus 1 into minus 3. Like this will write. So what are you getting here? Minus 5 is equal to A plus 17 3 the 81. 17 3 the 18 minus 1 17. 17 into minus 3. So you are getting minus 5 is equal to A minus 51. Minus 5 plus 51 is equal to A. It is a 17 3 the 51. So 46 is equal to A. What are you getting? 46. How are you getting 46? That you are seeing. 46 will be, very simply you are getting the answer 46. 46 is the answer. Now you are getting 28, 2 and 46. Next part is given. Next part, fourth part. What is the fourth part? Fourth part is given. A is given minus 18.9. Minus 18.9. It is given A. D is given 2.5. D is given 2.5. N is not given. And An is given 3.6. Formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Minus here 3.6. 3.6 is equal to A minus 18.9 plus 9 N minus 1 into D 2.5. All the values you write like this. Transpose 3.6 plus 18.9 is equal to N minus 1 into 2.5. So 5, 2 and 2. 22.5 upon 2.5 is equal to N minus 1. 22.5 upon 2.5 is equal to N minus 1, that you are seeing in the solution. Now you write point is removed, and by removing the point, what will you get? 3.6 25, 5 point is removed, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25. So 45 by 5, it will be cancelled, and 9 you will get, N minus 1. So 9 plus 1 is equal to N, therefore 10. How many numbers? What is the value of this? 10 you are getting. Fourth, then fifth part we'll see. Fifth part of this question. What is given? Fifth part, 3.5, 0, 10.5. 6.5, 0, 10.5. 6.5, what is the fifth part? A is equal to, given 3.5, 0, 10.5. 3.5, D is 0, N is equal to 10.5. D, N is equal to 10.5. No, N is not given. So N is given 105. What is given? N 105. And you want to find out AN. AN you want to find out. AN is not given. N is 105. 3.5, D is 0. So AN formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the AN? Not given. A is given 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 into 0. So what is your answer? A105. Here A105. AN means A105. 3.5 plus 0 gives you 3.5. A105 is 3.5. Here directly given. So questions very easily you find out what do you want to get. Now you see the question number 2. Question number 2 of this exercise is given some fill in the blanks type questions. 30th term of the AP, very simple given. Question number 2, first part. What is given? AP is given. AP is given 10, 7, 4 dot dot, and you want A30. What is you want? A30 is equal to A plus 29D. What is A? A is equal to 10, D is equal to 7 minus 10 minus 3. Put the value here. 10 plus 29 into minus 3. 10 minus 87. So minus 77. What is your answer? C part. So C minus 77 is the correct answer. Second part, minus 77 is the correct answer. That you are seeing easily. What is the question given? Second part is given 11 term of AP. 11 term you want AP is given -3, -half, 2 up to so on. What do you want? A11. What is A? -3. What is D? -1/2 -3. Will solve it. Don't write directly. 3/1. So -1 plus 6/2. What are you getting? 5/2. So A11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1, 10D. A plus 10D. By general form, what is the A? -3 plus 10 into 5/2. 2 5s are 10. So -3 plus 25. You are getting 22. So which one is the correct answer? What is given here? B part. What is given? B. B is 22. So you will write B part, which is 22 is the correct answer. So like this you solve and then check. Clearly you will find out in the following APs find the missing term. In the following APs you will find out the missing term, question number 3. In the question number 3 some APs are given. Some APs are given. You want to find the missing term. What is the AP? 2, like this box 26. A is given, A1 is given 2 and A3 is given 26. A3. So A plus 2D is equal to 26. Put the value 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. Then D is equal to 26 minus 2. That is 24. So D will be 12. Common difference is 12. So 12 plus 2. What is the box? Box will be A2. A2 means A plus D. What is A? 2 plus 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 will be here. Like this third part, box is given, 13 is given, again the box is given and 3 is given. By this you will get, these all are AP means A2 is given and A4 is given. A plus A1, A2. A2, A plus D is equal to 13 and A plus 3D is equal to 3. It is given. Third term and the second term is fourth term में third term. A fourth term means A plus 3D, A plus n minus 1. Solve both. Solve by linear equation. A plus D is equal to 13. A plus 3D is equal to 3. Subtract both. You will get minus 2D is equal to 10 means D is equal to minus 5. If D is minus 5, so first place A1 is equal to 13 and minus 5. What will you get? 13 is the 13 minus common difference. That you will get from minus 5 minus 5 will be, what will you get here? 13 plus 5. Or directly you can get. Put the here value minus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18. What is your term? First term is 18. One answer you are getting. And 13 minus 5 you will get the second, A3. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. What is A? 18 plus 2 into minus 5. 5 to the 10. 18 minus 10 is equal to 8. It is your third part. Here you can get, by putting the D here also you can get A. By solving linear equation in two variable, or if you are getting the D here, D is minus 5, it means D will be removed from here. But 13 minus D means 13 minus into minus plus D, you get 18. Both the option is there. Direct you can get, or you put here A minus 5 will be that side, D minus 5 and then it will be 18. Third part is given. Third part of this question. Third part is given 5 double box 9 whole 1 by 2. 5 box 9 whole 1 by 2. A is given 5 and A4 is given. 1, 2, 3, 4. A4 is given 9 2 ja 18, 18 and 1 19 by 2. A4 means A plus 3D. Put the value here. A is 5. 5 plus 3D is equal to 19 by 2. Then what is the D? 19 by 2 minus 5 gives you 19 minus 10 by 2, that is 9 by 2. Then D is equal to 9 by 2 into 3. 3 3 the 9, you are getting 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is the common difference. When the common difference is 3 by 2, then second term A2 is equal to A plus D. 5 plus 3 by 2. 5 to the 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. First answer. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. 5 plus 2 into 3 by 2, 2 cancel. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So these two answers you are getting first and second. First and second you are getting 13, third part, then fourth part you will see. Fourth part of this question is given -4, then box, then box, then box, then box, and then 6. Means A is given -4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A6 is given 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A6 is given 6. When it is given 6, what will you get? A6 means A plus 5D. What is A? -4 plus 5D is equal to 6. Then 5D is equal to 10. Then D is equal to 2. Therefore, A2 is equal to A plus D. -4 plus 2 is equal to -2. First answer. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. -4 and 2 to the 4 plus 4 is equal to 0 is the next one. A4 is equal to A plus 3D, that is -4 plus 6 is equal to 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. A5 is equal to A plus 4D, that is -4 plus 4 to the 8, 4. So these are your answers which you will fill in the box. Like this you are getting the last part of this fifth part. Fifth part you will see. Fifth part of this question is given box 38. Box 38. Then 3 blanks. And at last it is given -22. -22. You will get this question. Which part? A is given, not given. A2. A2 is given how much? 38. Means A plus D is equal to 38. Equation first. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A6. A6 is given -22, means A plus 5D is equal to -22. Equation second. Solve by linear equation 2 variable. A plus D is equal to A plus D is equal to 38. A plus 5D is equal to -22. Subtract both because you want to remove. -4D is equal to 60. Then D will be -15. You are getting the D is -15. Question number 3, 4, 4, 5th part. You are getting -15. So what is the A2? A1. A you are getting by this you can by equation first also you can get by first A plus -15 is equal to 38. So A minus 15 is equal to 38. What is A? 38 plus 15. 53. What is A you are getting? You are getting A 53. So one answer you are getting A. 1, A2, A3 you want. A3, A4, A5. What is the A3? A3 is equal to A plus 2D. 53 plus 2 into -15. 15 to the 30. 53 minus 30, 23 is yours A3. A4 will be A plus 3D. That is 53 plus 3 into minus 15 gives you 53 minus 45. 53 minus 45 is equal to 8. A5 is equal to A plus 4D. 53 minus plus 4 into minus 15. 53 minus 60 minus 7 is your answer. So you are getting 23, 8 and minus 7 and 53. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So that's all for today. We'll see in the next.